Oh, look, book. Let me just. Oh, Oliver. Yeah. So I heard you loved reading, so I decided, you know, to give you the Holy Bible. I hope you enjoy. Heresy! How freaking you are a heretic. That's it. No more sitting in your freaking cardboard box. Freaking you are a heretic. Now, rise. There. There. Your life is ruined. How do you like that, you freaking heretic? Why you spreading heresy? Why? Why? It's not freaking funny, man. I'm gonna make Crusader videos, probably, I don't know. Freaking Oliver. Oliver, why? Why? How could you do this, Oliver? How? Why? Just why? I loved you, Oliver. I loved you. And I probably still do. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. Oh my god. Oh, why are you looking at my hand? Oliver. What secrets are you hiding from us? Who do you work for? Who is it? I see, Oliver. I see. Just how, oh my god, Oliver, please. Oliver, have mercy. No. Don't leave me here, please. I need content. I need views. Oliver, please. Please. I can literally see your heart. By the way. You freaking fat cat. No, don't freaking touch my pants. My pants. It's my freaking pants. Why are you freaking touching my pants, Oliver? You disgust me. See, I'm gonna kick you. Oh. 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 Ah! Oh! Ah! Oliver. What have you done? It is said that you were supposed to bring balance to the Force, not destroy it. Why? Why must you do this, Oliver? Why? I loved you. I loved you like a son to me. You were a son to me, Oliver. How could you? Oh, I see. Fine, I'll remove the pants. Don't. Why are you touching my pants? Why are you touching my pants there? The Bible. The Bible. Cannot have the Bible covered in clothes. It must lay over here. Right. Hello. Whoa, now. Don't be touching those socks. Those are not yours, you freaking... No, touch. Stay in your box. That's what I thought. You freaking cat. You freaking cat. You freaking cat. What are you doing? Oh, you're just consuming the stuff you always consume. Okay. You know what? You do you. I am going to go. Let's do this. 1, 2.